Let's see how to change account password in Hostinger. So we will use two methods to change our password. The first one is from the Hostinger HPanel and the second one is without login to our HPanel. To change password from the Hostinger HPanel, log into your Hostinger HPanel. Now from the top, click on your account icon and then select account information. Now from under the account settings, click on change password. At first we need to add our current Hostinger password, then we need to enter our new password, then again we need to enter our new password and then click on confirm. And in case you are logged out of Hostinger and you don't know your password, then go to Hostinger and then click on login from the top, and here you will see this login form. Just enter your email address and then click on forget password from here. Now again we need to enter our Hostinger email address here and then click on send reset email, and in this way we will receive a message on our email and we can use that to change our Hostinger password. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.